How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I want to talk to you about 3 lessons that you can learn about money from the show Squid Game. So if you haven't checked it out, that's okay. You don't need to know the show. But if you have checked it out, I actually really like it. It's an interesting show that I think has some deeper meanings about money. The whole premise of the show is that people have to play this game that's very dangerous, that they could literally die in just to make money, enough money to get out of debt. So let's talk about some different things that I learned from Squid Game. So first of all, people in debt are willing to do things that they wouldn't normally do. You know, whether it is working odd hours, whether it's literally killing over money, which happens in the show a lot. There are things that you would not normally do that you do just to cover your debts. And sometimes this is good, like side hustling, but it can hurt if you're not smart about what kind of debt you take on. Right? Some of these people, tax evasion, some of them credit card debt, some of them have gambling debts. So first of all, this is probably the easiest one, but try not to get into bad debt. Try not to live a lifestyle to impress other people that you don't really care what their opinion is, right? You just want them to kind of shut up and take you seriously, so you buy crazy stuff that you can't afford or stuff that you shouldn't pay for just so that they're impressed. Second of all, those that actually have money, invest and think in ways that people that have less money just don't have the time or the will to think about. So this is actually something that I've noticed myself, right? From going full-time on YouTube and learning a lot about people that make a lot of money. Like, I've met so many people that make way more money than I would have ever thought. And the people that make a lot of money, they have a lot of time to think about how to make money. They also have different time frames. If you look at someone that has $100 that's in college, they're looking at how to 10x, 100x tomorrow, today, which if you do it right and you're really smart, you can do that. But the best investors are looking at asymmetric risk versus return. They're looking at something that has a lot of return possibility, but doesn't have much risk. So they have the time to spend researching and then also to wait to get those returns. So that is something that just a lot of people, even in the show, they show these investors that just have so much money that they are willing to just throw it at whatever just to get a little bit of excitement. And they made so much money that they can do whatever they want with it, essentially. And that's really how it is in real life, right? You can spend a lot of time at your day job, and if you don't have enough money to get by, you're thinking way more day to day than you are thinking long term. So one way to kind of get by this is to try to think longer term. Sure, look at stocks that you think have upcoming potential or cryptos that you think will do well short term, but also look 2-3 years down the line. And then third of all, it's important to have money, but having money is not the be all and end all. Spoiler, the person that set it up just had so much money that they just wanted to feel something. Just having people fight, to the death, that was exciting. He actually felt emotion again. When you have all the money in the world, you kind of run out of options, right? You can eat wherever you want. You can go wherever you want. That's great for a time, but money is not the be all and end all. So I think that's where it's important to remember to spend time with the ones you love, build up relationships with them, because having an infinite amount of money is not what you need in the end. You need enough money to do what you want to do, but having $1 billion or $10 billion might not be the best thing for you in the end. It's important to stay with the people that you like and enjoy and love and spend some time with them. Sure, make a lot of money so you can do with them whatever you want, but at some point there is no point in having more money, really. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Also hit subscribe and like, so that way I know you like videos like this that are a little bit different. If you guys want to learn how to make a lot more money, you can subscribe to this channel because I talk about stocks and crypto a lot. Thank you guys. Let me know what you think the show taught you down below, and I'll see you in the next video.